Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to fix Monopoly Go not loading. The process is quite simple and easy, and for this you have to follow few steps. And I am pretty much sure that by following all the steps, you can fix the issue. So the first one is open your Google Play Store, and check your app is up to date in the Google Play Store or in Apple Store. And if your app is not up to date, then tap on the option Update to make it up to date. After making sure the next setup is go to your mobile setting. After it open, scroll down and look for the apps. Once you find it, tap on it and tap on the option Manage Apps. And here, search for the Monopoly Go. From here, take a look on the bottom of the screen. Tap on the option Clear Data and Clear Cache. After clearing cache, go back to your Monopoly and check that it's loading or not. If not, then also tap on the option Clear Data. And then go back to your Monopoly app and check again. If the issue is not solved, then the next one is tap and hold your app and uninstall it from your mobile phone. After uninstalling, restart your device, and after that, go to your Google Play Store, install that application again. So using all this method, you can fix if Monopoly Go is not loading.